Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by opening the Pics app and loading your photo. Choose one from Gallery or Tap Plus to capture now. Once loaded, use Auto Enhance to get balanced exposure and color as a baseline. This saves time and gives a consistent starting point. Next, crop using the grid overlay, selecting 16:9 for widescreen or square for social. Make sure the subject follows the rule of thirds so composition feels natural. When ready, move to targeted edits. Now you'll refine the image with targeted adjustments. Drag the exposure and contrast sliders to shape light and depth, then pull highlights down and lift shadows slightly to retain detail. For color, tweak temperature and tint for accurate skin tones, add vibrance for punch without clipping, and use selective color to enhance one hue. Once done, use the healing brush to remove distractions. Apply masks to edits so you only affect the exact area you intend, preserving the rest. Finish by applying subtle sharpen and noise reduction. You should preview at 100% to ensure no halos or grain appear. Once satisfied, export at high quality. Choose PNG for maximum fidelity or JPEG with 80-100% quality for smaller files, and save the editable project so you can revisit adjustments later. If something goes wrong, reset the specific layer or step rather than starting over. You can also use history to jump back one action.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.